Hello everyone. Today I'm making rice noodle soup with fish cakes and full topping. Please come to the kitchen with me. Welcome to Saigoncook travel. This is onions and green dill that I got from the yard. Also white garlic to make the fish smell go away. I use the method sauteing the white garlic until fragrance. Hot pan, hot oil, and then white garlic. And you stir fry until you smell aromas. That's intoxicating smell. Now you add the stalks. The reason I use stalks, that's because I don't want to use any MSG or artificial flavor. So the stock in the fish, and I use white fish, and that is flounder. Then I'm adding the fish cakes now. I make it into patties for the cook pot. During this time, I drop in green onion and some dill to make it so fragrant. Now that's it. You can season to taste with fish sauce. You can add salt, sugar, the way you like it. Now I use dry rice noodles. So I heated water until boiling. I added the dry noodle into it and swirl until they cook through and soft, and then drain out. Now the other topping is the fish cake. This one is fried. So you can see that I use the method using the parchment paper on my cast iron skillet and fry until golden brown both sides. And that's it. Now let's prepare a bowl. Are you ready to eat? Noodles. I already strained, get it ready now. And topping, green onion, dill, and fish cake. The good thing about you making at home, you have full topping the way you want it. Because when you go to store, they want profit. So they give you a little topping, but if you make it at home, you have in full control. Fried fish cake, cooked fish ball. Now I drizzle the broth. And one more thing, that will take your bowl over the top. It's a fried chicharron. It's crispy and shatter in your mouth. And you put it on top. And the next thing you do is your fish pieces from the pot. Can you see? And you can add some chili the way you want it. I hope you like it. Please like, share my videos, and support me. Thank you so much for watching. You like to have a taste test with me now? So good. This is the fish pieces from the pot. I will see you soon on the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.